Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can earn Discord orbs for free. Okay, let's get into it guys. Discord has just launched new orbs and then we'll be able to claim it for free, and in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can do it. Okay, first of all guys, you can go to the discover menu on Discord right here, and then you will see the quest option, and here you can select one of the quests. Okay, for example, this quest, you just need to watch a video and then you will be able to claim 700 Discord orbs for free. And I have already watched the video guys. You just need to click on watch here, and after that you will check your Discord orbs balance, and I have already claimed all this Discord orbs, more than 1,000 Discord orbs, and then you can buy something from the shop with orbs. Okay, for example, you can buy magic mist and then pondering portal. It's up to you, and make sure that you collect the Discord orbs as much as you can by completing the Discord quest. Okay guys, and that's all the way to earn Discord orbs for free. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye!